Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing rocking on the reformer. So rocking is part of the second long box, which is a series that a lot of people don't do. You can do swimming on it pretty easily, but the grasshopper, which has several variations, one of which I've done, and there's an even more advanced variation than that, that's not awesome in my body, but I've seen other people do it, especially men, and it's really good. But rocking, you can do just like you would on a spine corrector or on the mat. You could do it like that, or you could do it with the straps. So I'm going to show you with the straps, also show you without. You can have one or two heavy springs on. And so, yeah, we'll see how this goes, right? So you're gonna take your straps. There's many different ways you can get into your straps. I always show this way because to me it's the most simple. So I cross the straps, I put the short loops on my feet, and then I'm gonna turn so I can uncross the straps. You point your toes and you bend your knees, and that's how you keep the straps on. Then you're gonna reach back and grab your feet, right? And then you can pull your heels 1, 2, 3, press up, and then again, pull the heels 1, 2, 3, press up. Make sure that you don't let the straps just pull on you so your heart's pulling forward. And then we could do another one, 1, 2, 3, and press. And then you try to rock, not by using your head, but by using your legs. So I'm trying to lift my legs off the box. It's a little hard for me. I could scoot forward, I could scoot back, I could take the springs down a little bit and then see if that helps, right? So here we go, we pull 1, 2, 3, we come up and then we rock, there we go. And I'm just lifting my feet into the strap, pulling my chest forward and rocking back and forth. Pretty fun. Stretch the legs out, shake those off, and then you can go into your swimming. So obviously, if you have back issues, it's probably not the best back extension exercise for you, but swimming would be really good. And as you get stronger and get more flexibility and strength, it's really good. That exercise, if you're a hypermobile body, is going to reveal that you're too flexible for your strength. And so you want to actually work on your strength before you just enjoy the flexibility that you have, because you don't want to injure yourself. That could go into your lower back as opposed to being in the longest extension possible. If you just wanted to do rocking without the straps here, just lay on your stomach, reach back, grab your feet, and then do the same thing you would do on the mat here without the straps. The straps definitely take it up a notch and challenge the connection to your body. So I hope you give that a try. It's all part of the second long box series. And enjoy yourself. It's super, super fun. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you put in the comments below. I will see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.